Trading is not always butterflies and the sun shines. There will be a blood and the tears in your eyes. But with this video, with this strategy, we will make this up. So what I want you to do is open up your empty TradingView chart. Now go with me and click the indicators tab and search for our first indicator. And this is from the Chris Moody and it's called the CM Ultimate. If you type in, you will see that the ultimate moving average multi-time frame clicked at your chart. This has a high favorite in the TradingView. Just click it. We will set these beautiful ladies in the later video. This indicator is very self-explanatory. It will plot a line that appeared on your chart and it will make green and the red. The green means is bullish obviously and the red means bearish. So when you see green, you will understand that the market is on the uptrend, and when you see the red, market is in the downtrend. It's easy. But what if I tell you that we will add some magical indicators that will boost this trading strategy just like this? So what I want you to do is now head over to indicators tab and search for our second indicator, and it is called the squeeze momentum indicator. This is from the lazy bear. Click at your chart. This is highly accurate confirmation indicator that will help us in today's price action. And we will have 3 indicators in the final of this trading setup. But now let me show you how these two guys are working. So as you remember that when you see green line, it means a bullish price action. And to confirm that, now you have one more indicator which is called a squeeze momentum, right? You will go down and check if it is green. If it's confirm you can initiate your long position. So you can match hold the price action happening in this CM Ultimate with the squeeze momentum. Easy like that. But as you notice something, that when the price starts ranging like this zone, you will get caught up in a most buy signal, sell signal, and it will give you tears in your eyes and you will cry and you will tell that what is these indicators, it's not working, it's so crap. It's not. Now I'm inviting you for our third indicator, and this is called a Z-score, and this is from the Ameno 09. Click at your chart, and after you add the indicator, you will see something like a heartbeat, right? And what it will give you is when these lines getting closer to each other, it means that the market is ranging. It's very easy, it's very self-explanatory. It can seem complicated in the first, but when you start using it, you will feel more confidence with that. You will see a green line, you will see the red line. So when they come closer, it means a ranging market. When they go away from each other, it means a trending market. Easy like that. So it's not so hard, right? How we can combine these beautiful guys here. So when you see prices started to trending, you will notice that the CM Ultimate returns to green, and you go down and check the squeeze momentum. You will see that it's also green, so it's checked the first confirmation indicator, and you will go down to check the Z-score. Z-score starts to moving away from each other, so that means a market is not ranging, it's trending. What you can do is you can initiate your long position. So let's look at the example here. We see that market it starts to trending up, and we see that the CM Ultimate start to give us the green line here, and what you need to do is you will go down and confirm with the squeeze momentum. You see that it's also giving you the green signal, and the final thing, the most important thing in this strategy is you will check the Z-score. If these lines going away from each other, it means that the market is trending, it's not ranging. As you remember the rule, if they're getting closer to each other, it's ranging. When it's moving away, it is trending. So you confirm this also. All you need to do is just take your long position here, and let's demonstrate it on the screen here. You will enter a long position with the bar close. You will always put your stop loss to the recent support line, and you can target 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, which will give you here, right? But Borsa, I want to get more profit, I want to make more money with this signal, I don't want to get close the position so early. So what I can suggest you is hear me out. So you will follow up the price action and you can ride your trade until you see a red from the CM Ultimate, which will give you here. This is the first option. The second option will be when you see a red from the squeeze momentum indicator. This is your second option. And the final thing is when you see that the Z-score getting closer to each other, you can close out your position. So you have a 4 different way to close your position, right? And the fourth one is, as you guessed, 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, easy like that. Now let's take a look at one more example together. So here we see the market reach the top and we waiting for some kind of a reversal, right? And we following the market, we watching the price action, and we saw that we getting the first red from the CM Ultimate. And what you will do is you will go down and check the squeeze. It's also red. Check. And you check the Z-score, but there is a problem. What is it? The lines are very close to each other. So it means that there is a ranging market situation going over here. And what you want to do is you will just wait until the Z-score lines going away from each other. And if you notice something that when you want to go long, the green line must be above. When you want to go short, the red line must be above. Easy like that. This is very important. That's why you watch the whole video to not miss any key point, right? So you are watching the market, everything is still bearish, and you see this line here. The red crosses up and red is going up and the green is going down. So which means that market starts trending. The Z-scores is going away from each other. And that time you want to enter a short position here. Let's demonstrate the trade here. You will initiate a short position over here and you will put your stop loss to the recent support line. This will be a perfect spot and you will target 1 to 2 like always, right? So you can see that we have banked on this trade. All you need to do is just follow the rules. Don't get excited when you see 2 confirmation. Oh, we get 2 confirmation, third will come. It is not. Just wait for the exact confirmation to initiate your position. Because this time you can get lucky, but the next time you can get blow your account. Make sure you follow all the rules that I mentioned here. And as you know that we targeted 1 to 2, but you can always close your position with the other take profit method. So the first setting that we will adjust is the CM Ultimate. If you go to inputs, you will see that the moving average length, you need to change this to 35 and you need to change this to SMA to 1, right? That's it. That's all you need to do. After you done that, just hit the OK button, make sure everything is the same, and after you done that, go to squeeze momentum and copy everything you see on my screen, and the final thing will be Z-score and copy everything you see it here. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys understand this strategy. It is very easy to use. It is highly profitable. All you need to do is just follow the rules. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out my other videos, and until the next time, see you soon.